Welcome back to another video, guys. So just let me move this hand out of the way. So I'm using my new hand today that I've not used yet. I love it. Look at the detail. I absolutely love it because I thought I'm gonna recreate this sticker today using the colours that I got from my Christmas Gelbox, and it's got a thumb, so I thought, right, we'll use my new hand today. I don't normally do a thumb. I haven't got a stand for it, so I'm going to be resting it on there, and I'm going to be holding it in this stand, but the hand is quite a heavy one, so I'm just going to kind of just go with it today. Oh, you can see where I've had my cup of tea, look. Yeah, I'm just going to go with it today, and I'm just going to be a bit caggy-handed and awkward. I'm definitely going to have to get myself a new stand for it, that's for sure. So let's have it there. I think, I don't know how I'm going to do this. Right, let's hold it there. Needs to be a bit further back, doesn't it? Right, let's just keep it there. No, I'm not going to be able to paint like that. It's not going to work. Anyway, let's just get on with it. I'm just going to have to be awkward with this today till I get a new stand for it. So, quick recap of the colours that came in this mum's box. These four. So we've got the Christmas green, the nude, the stunning glittery red, and this gingerbread. This is an out of this world colour. Beautiful gel, isn't it? So it looks like we've got the green on that pinky, the nude on the middle two, and the gingerbread must be done with the gingerbread colour. And this one, I am going to use the red glitter and the white. Don't forget, it came with, see these boxes, they come with everything you need to do the tutorial. I'm going to use the white, probably to do the candy cane nail, but I don't think the nib's going to be quite thin enough to do the gingerbread men. We'll see, but I'm definitely going to use it on that. And the thumb to me looks like red glitter, so I'm going to use the red glitter. So enough chat, shall we just get on with it? I'm going to switch to voiceover now, guys, so I can edit this video down. So we're going to start with the green, that is called mistletoe. I'm just going to do two really thin coats on this pinky. I'll just show you doing one coat, and these gels from Gelbox need to be cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. You really don't even need two coats. The coverage with these gels is fantastic. I really enjoy using them. And then this Winter Spice Latte is going to go on these two middle nails. Look at this colour. Oh, I love it. And just how pigmented it is. It's like paint. I love it. It's a really, really nice nude colour, isn't it? I think these kind of nudes are staples just as much as your blacks and your whites, aren't they? And for the pointer finger, we are using Mrs. Claus, which is the beautiful, beautiful red glittery one. This is going to have two coats as well. So this pointer finger, I'm just giving that a generous layer of top coat, just so I can give it a buff and get it smooth. Because of that glitter, it's not completely smooth. So that's had a buff. I needed that completely smooth because this is going to be the candy cane nail. So I did try to use the white acrylic marker pen that came. Don't get me wrong, it's fantastic. But on these tips, because they are so curved, these are lazy girl tips, so the apex is really high. And I just couldn't get my lines straight. I couldn't get my lines straight on these curved tips. So, yeah, I ended up giving up with this pen. Brilliant for artwork and stuff, but for straight lines, no. I don't think you could do it with straight lines. Maybe on flatter tips, but not these curved tips. So I've got my liner gel out, and I've got Gelbox's white out that is called the Plastics. This white gel paint from Gelbox is so pigmented. Look how it goes on. It's such a nice gel, perfect for painting with. Absolutely perfect for painting with. So I'm just going to carry this on down this whole nail now, just doing thick stripe, then a thin stripe, then a thick stripe, then a thin stripe. I will skip some of it or else it will get boring. Now these other 3 nails, I'm using Matte Me Up, which is their matte top coat, because I'm going to have to do some little detailed work on these nails, and it's easier to paint on a matte surface. So now they've had a matte top coat, this green nail is little snowflakes. So the vinyl sticker, there's a kind of a half a snowflake at the top, and then there's a snowflake in the middle, slightly off to the left. And I think there was an extra snowflake at the bottom, but I couldn't fit it on. So I've just done the 2 snowflakes, and I do a couple of little 4-pointed stars as well. So yeah, I'll just let you watch for a sec. So now on these 2 middle nails, look at this colour. It's called Gingerbread, and we're going to paint gingerbread men. I'll just show you doing this one. I'm going to do another one on the other nail, and I'm using a dotting tool just because there's no sharp edges or lines. His head's rounded off, his arms and his legs are rounded off, so I just thought I'd use a dotting tool. I think it was much easier. So yeah, just going to do a little gingerbread man. So that's both of them done. That colour's gorgeous, isn't it? So we're just going to do his eyes and his mouth. And this gingerbread that I'm painting now, he's got a little dicky bow and little wrinkly bits on his arms and legs, hasn't he? There, like that. And I am going to use, I'll show you in a sec, I'll show you. So I'm going to use 2 of the small hexes out of that glitter to do the buttons on the gingerbread's belly. So I'm just giving both of these nails a base coat. This will just help level the nails out as well. And I've just put 2 hexagons out that glitter as his has these buttons. I'm going to stick them in the lamp for 30 seconds. And this thumb, I'm just giving that a base coat, and I'm going to sprinkle the glitter and cover that whole nail. This glitter is so sparkly. It's beautiful. And that's had a full 60 seconds cure now. So, yeah, just get these top coated and that'll be then finished. Totally forgot, guys, I ended up going in with a matte top coat and matte top coating these gingerbread men. You'll have to let me know if they looked better glossy now or in matte. I'm not too sure if I preferred them like this, glossy or matte. So let's have a look at them in matte. There we go, that's them matte top coated. I don't know which ones I like best. I like them both. I just think that colour's beautiful. Really, really unique. I love the red glitter under that candy cane nail. It's beautiful. And the glitter on the thumb. Oh look, my white smudged I was just showing you there. I don't know how that happened. Yeah, that glitter on the thumb is stunning, isn't it? Super sparkly. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Don't forget you can get 15% off at Gelbox using my code. It's in the description box. Anyway, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.